In today's video, I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to your Canva presentation. Voiceovers can make your slides more engaging and help explain your message clearly. And the best part, it's super simple to do. First, open the presentation you want to work on inside Canva. If you don't have one ready yet, you can pick a template and create a new one. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can bring in your own media files. Click the Upload Files button and choose the audio file from your computer. It's a good idea to have your files saved somewhere easy to find, so this step is smooth. After it's uploaded, Canva automatically places your file under the audio section in the left panel. Click there and you'll see your voiceover ready to use. Now, just drag and drop the audio file onto your presentation. Drop it on the slide and Canva will automatically attach it. If needed, adjust the audio length in the timeline or trim it so it syncs perfectly with your slides. Then hit play to preview and check that everything flows smoothly. Want different voiceovers for different slides? Just repeat the process, upload your files, then drag each one to the right slide. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can add a professional voiceover to your Canva presentation. Try it out, and you'll see how much more engaging your slides can be. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.